Hey, what's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, today what we're doing is kind of showing you battery placement. I'm doing battery placement and showing you how you should jump off a car if you need to, preferably your own vehicles. I don't really like jump. Well, I have a booster kit that I use to jump off other people just because I've heard, bad things about it or whatever. But anyway, this is what we're doing today. We are, as you can see, there is, look at there is no, which it wouldn't really have room if they did put it up here, but there's no battery up here. So you're wondering, where's the battery at? All right, guys, if you would, stick around because today we're working on battery placement. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Thank you. Well, let me show you. Now, before I show you where the battery is, what you have to know is how to get to the battery. I'm going to show you where the battery is, but we got to get there also. So what you have to do is you have to slide this seat all the way up. And when you slide it up, the bottom right here, lift that up so the whole seat comes up. Okay, so now you have to lift and push forward. And then as soon as you get it, go up as far as you can because, it will help you. So lift it and push forward. You can do it at the same time, just like I did. Okay, and then come back here. And then, move your floor mat out of the way. And see this panel right here, which I've already prepped the panel because it's kind of hard to pull out. Because once you actually get this out, you have a plug here and one here. And then you have one or two up there, which makes it a little difficult. But, here's your battery. Okay, and then, just pull this out. You got to undo, your cables and stuff like that. And it's not that bad. But you have to, I might have to take those two bolts out. That bolt out right there, and there's a bolt right there. So get those two bolts, and then this whole tray should come out because it's actually secured down in there. So, and then when you get done, put that back on, and you should be good. Now, to actually, like I was saying, to jump someone off, you actually come out here, and then you got your positive here, and then you've got your negative here. And it gives you little diagrams right here. This is for your negative, and then this diagram right here is actually for, your positive or whatever. So, take that off and do what you need to do, but just be careful with that because I do not like to do that. But, and then, we're going to do other stuff, down here. And my next, it's a pretty nice Jeep. I try to keep it decent. And then, of course, whenever you get done with everything, put that back down. So you just push down on this and then push back on that. And, goes back to normal, everything, which I don't know how she likes to ride. So I'm going to leave that like that for right now. But, yeah, pretty sharp. And the next thing I'm going to do is work on my slide. Because this guy, it's coming loose a little bit. But yeah. Pretty sharp. But anyway, guys, I'm not going to hold you too long. That is battery placement. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you don't do nothing else, be good to yourself and please be good to others.